You're excited to play your favorite album, but your headphones keep cutting out. It's frustrating. This issue is usually caused by either the headphones or the device you're using. Why do my Bluetooth headphones keep cutting out? Wireless headphones often disconnect when you move because Bluetooth signals can be interrupted, especially when connecting to devices like laptops or desktops. How to fix Bluetooth headphones cutting out. Before taking action, troubleshoot the issue. There are various causes and solutions for this problem. Bluetooth headphones may cut out if the device is too far. Keep within 10 feet, 3 meters, or upgrade your device for better reception. If your Bluetooth headphones cut out, high volume might be the issue. Adjust the volume on your device. Android. Go to Settings to Sound and Notification to Volume and lower it. iPhone. Go to Settings to Volume or use side buttons to mute, unmute. Laptop, Hawk Desktop. Open System Preferences to Sound to Output and adjust settings to balance speakers and line out. If your headphones cut out, the music app might be buggy. Test by playing music on another app. If it works fine, that means the problem is with the first app. Bluetooth signal interference may cause headphones to cut out. Try restarting the device to eliminate interference. If your headphones disconnect, ensure you're connecting to the correct device. Reset or cancel the connection before reconnecting. If the issue persists, consider replacing the headphones. Well, if your headphones keep disconnecting, the issue might be with the headphones themselves. Try using a different pair to see if it resolves the problem. The Soundcore Space 1 Pro is your perfect choice. With the FlexiCurve structure, it reduces its size by 50%. Its super foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. The exclusive 4-stage noise-canceling system cancels out on-the-go noise in real time, letting you enjoy peace even during your commute. Drivers with triple composite diaphragms deliver high-res distortionless audio, letting you enjoy every detail of your music. With long-lasting battery life, enjoy up to 40 hours with ANC and 60 hours without. Ultra-fast charging gives you 8 hours of music with just 5 minutes of recharge. All-day comfort with a pressure-relieving headband and soft ear cups ensures you can wear them for hours without discomfort. Bluetooth headphones may disconnect due to range, interference, or trying to connect to another device. Clear obstacles and check settings to stabilize the connection. Now you know why Bluetooth headphones cut out. With adjustments, the issue can be fixed. Each pair behaves differently, so experiment with settings. If upgrading, check out the Soundcore Headphones collection for great options. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tips.